Dear students, welcome to my channel, Dr. V.R. Pudili, Professor of Management and Economics. In this video, I am dealing with meaning of production and factors of production, rewards to factors of production, definition of production function, short-run production function, long-run production function, differences between short-run production function and long-run production function. Meaning of production and factors of production. According to Bakes and Parkinson, production is the organized activity of transforming resources into finished products in the form of goods and services. The objective of production is to satisfy the demand for such transformed resources. Let us now deal with another definition of production. Production is an activity of transforming inputs into outputs. For example, sugar mill uses inputs of sugarcane, labor, and capital invested in machinery to produce sugar under the supervision of manager. The process of transformation can be change in form, example wood to furniture, change in space, example transportation, or change in time, example cold storage. Let us now deal with factors of production. Production of a commodity or service requires the use of certain resources or factors of production. There are four factors of production, namely land, labor, capital, and enterprise or organization. In this slide, I had explained about factors of production and their rewards. Name of the factor land, which means all natural resources. The reward for land is rent. The second factor of production is labor, which means the physical and mental works of people. Reward for labor is wages or salaries. The third factor of production is capital, which means all man-made tools and machines. Reward for capital is interest. The fourth factor of production is entrepreneurship or enterprise or organization, which means risk-taking and organizing or management of business. Reward for entrepreneurship is profit. Dear students, let us now discuss the concept of production function. Production function refers to the physical relationship between inputs and output under given technology. In other words, production function is a mathematical or functional or technical or engineering relationship between inputs and output with a given combination of factor inputs and technology at a given period of time. The terms factors of production and resources are used interchangeably with the term inputs. I had given the general form of production function in the slide. Q is a function of LB, L, K, M, capital T and small t, where Q is output, LB land and building, L labor, K capital, M raw materials, T technology, and small t refers to time. Let us now discuss with short run production function and long run production function. Short run production function. A production function that shows the changes in output when only one factor is changed while other factor remains constant is termed as a short run production function. In a production function with two inputs, that is Q is a function of Lk, labor L is considered as the variable factor which can be changed to influence the level of output. The other factor, capital K, is a fixed factor which cannot be changed. The underlying theory to the short-run production function is the law of variable proportions. This law will be discussed in a separate video. The second one is long-run production function. A long-run production function studies the impact on output when all the factors of production can be changed simultaneously and in the same proportion. The underlying theory to the long-run production function is the law of returns to scale. This law will be discussed in a separate video. Dear students, in this slide, I had explained the differences between short-run production function and long-run production function. I had taken three columns in the table. In the first column, I had shown basis for comparison. In the second column, short-run production function was taken. And in the third column, long-run production function was taken. The first basis for comparison is meaning. A production function that shows the changes in output when only one factor is changed while another factor remains constant is called short-run production function. A long-run production function studies the impact on output when all the factors of production can be changed simultaneously and in the same proportion. The second basis for comparison is law. The law relating to short-run production function is called law of variable proportions. The law relating to long-run production function is called law of returns to scale. The third basis for comparison is scale of production. In case of short-run production function, there is no change in scale of production, whereas in case of long-run production function, there is change in scale of production. The fourth basis of comparison is factor ratio. In case of short-run production function, factor ratio changes. In case of long-run production function, factor ratio does not change. The fifth basis for comparison is entry and exit. There are barriers to entry and the firms can shut down but cannot fully exit in case of short-run production function. Firms are free to enter and exit in case of long-run production function. Dear students, in this video, I had dealt with meaning of production and factors of production, rewards to factors of production, definition of production function, short-run production function, and long-run production function, the differences between short-run production function and long-run production function. Thank you.